These drawings were made during a course called Drawing Ahead at the Royal Drawing School. I drew for about 25 hours and created over 30 portraits using different materials: charcoal, conté pencils, soft pastels, and gouache. The first series was done with charcoal, mainly focusing on line. Some drawings were made with quick, energetic marks, while others took a few minutes and were done using continuous line or blind drawing. I also made 2 drawings where I focused on tone. The second series explored temperature. I used conté pencils, sanguine, black, and white on toned paper. I also made one charcoal drawing that is actually the only one that I like from this series. There's another one I'm happy with, but most of them I consider them quite unsuccessful. I struggled with temperature, especially when limited to just those colors. It's something I need to keep working on. The third series is also charcoal. I love this sheet of paper where I drew only facial features, noses, eyes, mouths, and ears. Each drawing took about 4 minutes. Then I moved on to portraits, paying attention to the foreshortening of the poses. The fourth series was made with soft pastels. My favorites are the ones with this color palette, 3 tones of brown and olive green. I think it's a very beautiful combination. And I managed to get a good tonal contrast and detail in the faces. The last series was made with gouache. The first drawings were a bit of a mess, but eventually I figured out how to use color and temperature, and the later ones are much better. I love these green portraits with a touch of warm orange. Then this one with warm colors balanced with the blue-green. And finally, this one where I mixed more colors. I hope this video inspires you to draw portraits. There are so many ways to approach it, and here I'm just sharing a few of them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.